Okay, good morning class 4. So today we will study your chapter 4 of computer, that is managing files and folders. So we have learned about the operating system and about all the basic things. So now it's time to learn about how to manage your files and folders, okay, on your computer. And after reading this chapter, we will be able to understand what is files, what is folders, how do we work with File Explorer, view the contents of a file or a folder, create a new folder, rename a file or a folder, copy and move a file or a folder, delete a file or a folder. So these are the basic objectives that we will be able to do after reading this chapter. Alright, so let's start. Windows organizes the data and information stored in it in the form of files and folders. Let us learn more about files and folders. So Windows जो है वो अपने डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करता है, अपने इन्फॉर्मेशन और डेटा दोनों को ऑर्गेनाइज करके स्टोर करता है in the form of a file and a folder. Okay, so let's learn more about them. A file is an item that contains information, for example, text or images or music. Okay, the files occupy a certain amount of space which can be measured in KB, MB and GB. Okay, it can be kilobyte, megabyte or gigabytes. A file can be saved on the hard disk of the computer or on a CD or a DVD, etc. Okay, so you can save a file either, on your, so you can save your file on your computer hard disk or CD or DVD, okay, pen drive, etc. And on computers using Windows 10, files are represented with icons because it is easier to recognize a type of file by looking at the icon. So you can see this is a Word document. इससे पता चल जाता है icon देख के कि ये एक Word document है, ये एक application है. These are the files, okay. This is the icon for file and this is the icon for text documents, okay, like WordPad, Notepad, etc. Okay, so here are some common file icons. You can see here. Okay, folder. Folder is a container where the files can be stored. Folders can also store the other folders as well. So in a folder you contain your files and folders can contain other folders also. That means आप एक folder के अंदर एक और folder रख सकते हो, उस folder के अंदर एक और folder रख सकते हो, and then you can store your files. Okay, a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Folder के अंदर जो folder होता है उसे हम subfolder कहते हैं. ठीक है, in Windows 10 a user can create any number of subfolders and each can hold any number of files and additional subfolders. So you can create any amount of folders within a folder, okay, and each subfolder can contain any number of files, okay, or additional subfolders. Files and folders can be differentiated with the help of the icons associated with them. Like this is a folder, okay, this is a folder and these are the files: Word document, Excel document, presentation, PDF. These are files and these are folders. So this is how you can differentiate between them. Now File Explorer. In Windows 10, File Explorer is a program that helps to view and manage files and folders present in various drives and folders. Okay, so you can get to know the files which are present in the various drives, okay, and folders also. To start File Explorer, you will need to type File Explorer in the search box. Okay, so in the start button you will find it and then click on File Explorer app from the list shown. So here is File Explorer. You will click on it after typing it in the search box. Okay, now so these are the contents of a File Explorer dialog box, like navigation pane, forward and backward button, ribbon, address bar, column headings, search box, file and folder listing, preview details pane, status bar. Okay, so navigation pane. From the navigation pane you can view your computer's file and folder structure. Okay, आप उनका structure view कर सकते हो and you can access them. So you see, this is the navigation pane. Alright, now forward and back buttons. So it enables you to go to the folders that you have already opened. So you can move forward, you can move backward. Okay, so you see, these are the forward and backward buttons. Alright, now ribbon helps us to use the different options in File Explorer. Okay, so these are the ribbons, okay, and this will help you to use the different options present in it. Alright, now address bar enables you to go to a different folder. You can see this is the address bar. Here you can go to a different folder from here. Alright, column headings, title of each of the columns displayed in the file or a folder list. Okay, so this is where you will find your column headings. All right, the date and everything. Search box, it will allow you to search for subfolders, documents and images. So in the search box you can search. All right, here is the search box. Okay, file and folder listing. So this is the file and folder listing, you can see here. Okay, it lists your files and folders and documents, subdocuments, etc. Okay, preview details pane enables you to quickly preview an item such as a photo without having to open that item. So you can preview it without opening it. All right, now status bar displays information about a selected folder and its contents, such as the total number of items in the folder, that number of items selected and total file size. Okay, so status bar will tell you the total number of the files in that, okay, items in that file or in that folder, and then the size occupied, everything. All right, so this was about File Explorer. Okay, now this is the quick tip. The shortcut to start File Explorer is Win plus E. Win is for Windows button and E. Okay, let us learn about the operations related to file management. All right, so creating a folder and everything we'll learn now. To create a folder on the desktop, we follow these steps. Right click on a desktop using the mouse, a menu appears. So you will click right click, okay, on the desktop, a menu will appear. Click on new, okay, and then click on folder. A new folder with the name new folder will appear, okay, and you can type the name of a new folder, okay, by just clicking backspace. And another way to create a folder using File Explorer is open File Explorer, okay, then use the navigation pane to move, okay, to move the folder to where you want to create the folder and select it by clicking on it. So first you will open File Explorer, then you will use the navigation pane to move to the folder where you want. So where you want to create, जहाँ आपको create करना है आप वहाँ पहले चले जाओगे, and then you will click on the home tab. Okay, you will click on the home tab and then you will choose new folder. All right, so a new folder will appear, backspace, okay, and then write your desired name and press enter. Fine. Now quick tip, a file can have up to 255 characters including a period and an extension up to 8 characters. So a file name can, have 255 characters, that means letters, okay, including a period, okay, full stop, and there can be extension up to 8 characters. Extension क्या होता है, like you can see file.txt, file.doc, file.ppt. So those extensions can be up to 8 characters. Like JPEG is a 4-character extension, you can understand. Okay, now copying a file or a folder. Copying and pasting means making one or more copy of a file or a folder with similar contents to be pasted in different locations or in the same location with a different name of the file or a folder. To copy a file or a folder, follow the given steps. Copying and pasting means you copy a file, ठीक है, आप एक फाइल को कॉपी करते हो एंड देन आप दूसरे लोकेशन में जाके उसी फाइल को वहां पे पेस्ट कर देते हो. सो द सेम फाइल इज एट 2 locations, okay, is at 2 different locations. You can write it with a different name also, same name also, okay, it's totally up to you. So how you will copy a file or a folder, let's follow the steps. You will click the file tab, okay, then you will click the home tab, yeah, first you will select it in the file tab, then you will click the home tab, then you will click on copy or copy to. Copy to is for the location and copy is just for copying. Then you will have to go to the location and then you will have to paste it there manually. If you do copy to, so you just have to select the location and it will get pasted there automatically. Okay, now open the new location where it is to be copied, choose paste option in the home tab. Alright, so you can see here the steps clearly. Okay, now quick tip, shortcut to copy or a file or folder is Ctrl+C and to paste a file or folder is Ctrl+V. Okay, to copy it's Ctrl+C and to paste it's Ctrl+V. Alright, now moving a file or a folder. Transferring a file or folder from its original location to another location is called moving the file or folder. So when you like copy में हम क्या करते हैं, हम उसी डॉक्यूमेंट को या उसी फाइल या फोल्डर को हम 2 जगह एक जगह के साथ एक दूसरी जगह पे कॉपी कर देते हैं, सो दैट फाइल इज एट 2 लोकेशंस, बट व्हेन यू मूव इट मतलब आप उसको उसके ओरिजिनल लोकेशन से हटा के एक दूसरे लोकेशन में शिफ्ट कर देते हो. ओके, यू डोंट कॉपी इट, सो देयर विल बी वन फाइल ओनली, बट इट विल बी मूव्ड फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन टू अ न्यू पोजीशन. अंडरस्टूड? So steps to move a file or a folder are: select it in the file tab, okay, then click the home tab, fine, and then click cut. Now open the new location to change the location, okay, and choose paste option. So what you have to do, you will have to select the file in the file tab, then you will click on home tab and click on cut. Okay, now shortcut is Ctrl+X for cut. All right, now open the new location. Okay, you will find the new location where you want to move it, and then you will choose the paste option in the home tab. All right, you can see the steps. Now again, as I told you, shortcut for cutting a file is Ctrl+X. Okay, now deleting a file or a folder. Deleting a file or folder means to remove it from the computer. When you delete a file or folder, it moves to the recycle bin. Recycle bins, you know, it contains all your deleted file and folders. All right, so to delete a file and the file, find the file first, then select it, click the home tab and then click delete and it will get deleted. Okay, फाइल को पहले आप जाके सेलेक्ट करिए फाइल में, उसके बाद होम टैब पे जाइए एंड देन click on delete, it will get deleted. Okay, when you delete a file or a folder, it goes to recycle bin, right? So वहां से हम उसे परमानेंट डिलीट कर सकते हैं जाके, और वी कैन ऑल्सो रीस्टोर इट. अगर आपको फिर से वो गलती से डिलीट हो गया तो आप रिसाइकिल बिन में जाके यू कैन रीस्टोर द फाइल, right? The delete option deletes entire folders including any files or folders present inside those folders. अगर आपने एक फोल्डर को सेलेक्ट किया जिसके अंदर भी बहुत सारे फोल्डर्स है तो वो सब कुछ डिलीट हो जाएगा. सो यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट द फोल्डर वेरी केयरफुली, ओके, which you want to delete. Now shortcut to delete file or a folder permanently is Shift+Delete. Okay, then it won't go to the recycle bin, it will be deleted permanently. Shortcut to create a folder is Ctrl+Shift+N. If you click these 3 keys at the same time, a new folder will be created with the name new folder, and then you can rename it, okay, by clicking backspace and then typing the new name and then click enter. Creating a file in a folder. How to create a file in a folder? First you have created a folder, right? Open the folder by double clicking it. Okay, the file explorer windows appear with the contents of the folder, right? Then right click in the window again. आपने पहले फोल्डर बनाया, उस फोल्डर को ओपन करिए डबल क्लिक करके, ठीक है, फिर वो फोल्डर का कंटेंट ओपन हो जाएगा. देन अगेन राइट क्लिक इन दैट, okay, and again a menu will appear. Click on new and then click on file. All right, click on new and choose the option Microsoft Word document. Okay, so you will see that a new Microsoft Word document will be created. Okay, and then you will type the name. You can write the name there for the document you want to it, and then double click on the file to type text in it. If you want to type text in it, तो आप इसको डबल क्लिक करोगे, ये ओपन हो जाएगा, and then you can start typing it. Okay, similarly different files like Excel and Paint files can also be created. इसी तरह से हम अलग अलग फाइल्स बना सकते हैं, ठीक है. Opening a file or a folder. To open a file or a folder, simply you have to move the pointer to that file or folder, and then you have to just double click on it. The file folder will open and you can view the contents. Okay, just double click on the folder and it will get open. Renaming a file or a folder. So while you are creating a folder, you can also rename it. Okay, like suppose आपने एक नाम दे दिया पर आपको नाम change करना है, so you select the file or folder. Okay, then there is the rename option. Okay, in the ribbon option you will find that there is rename. Okay, so you will click on that and then you will type the new name of the folder and then press enter key. Alright, this is the shortcut to rename a file or folder. You know, if you want to rename it, you can press F2 key on your keyboard and then type the name you want in the highlighted area. Highlighted area looks something like this. Okay, you can press F2 also directly and then you can rename it. Alright, now checking the progress. Unjumble the words using the given hints. It is a collection of data information. File. It is a program that enables you to view File Explorer. It is a term used for giving a new name to the existing file or folder. Rename. Alright? Yes. While you are deleting a file or folder, as I explained, you should never do it without the permission of your elders if you are not authorized. Alright? Store a file or a folder that you have deleted and it has gone to the recycle bin. So if you want them back, you have to double click the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Okay, so it will open, it will appear something like this and it will display all the deleted things. Alright, then you will search for the required deleted file that you want. ठीक है, आप select कर लोगे जो भी फाइल आपको वापस चाहिए एंड देन यू विल राइट क्लिक, जो भी फाइल आपने सेलेक्ट किया है उस पर आप अपना पॉइंटर रख के राइट क्लिक करोगे, ओके, एंड देन द right click menu will appear and then you will click on restore. You can see here restore, so you will click on that and it will get restored. All right, the deleted file will get back into the location where it was originally. Now quick recap: a file in the computer can contain data and information. The file occupy a certain amount of space which can be measured in kilobytes, megabytes and gigabytes. A file can be saved on the hard disk of the computer or a CD-ROM or a DVD, and the size of a file tells us how much storage space it will take in your computer. Okay, every file is saved by giving it a name. Folders are used to store files and other folders. Okay, a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. File Explorer is a program that helps in navigating from one place to another to view and manage files and folders present in various drives and folders. Rename means to change the name of an existing folder. So that's it for this chapter. Have a good day.